guys, this is a handle for the rear of a Vitara S1 SE416. Problem is, it's snapped internally. Now the thing about this glorious vehicle is there's no internal catch, or if you've installed a rear drawer setup like yours truly, you are not getting in. So, how do we get this out? Had a bit of a gander. I've got door number 2, as everyone's mostly got at their house. It's 2 doors. This thing, I don't know if you I'll get rid of some of those Charlottes. Anyway, so this thing, that pulls down. So I reckon she's probably just snapped that right through. And I'm thinking we might be able to cut the back of the lock out, access this little arm, and then pull her out. Here's one I've prepared earlier. So there's 3 points, 1, 2, 3, where it actually adheres, fixes to the back of the door. I'm gonna try and cut vertical cuts, get to this little arm, and open this bloody door. Righto, wish me luck. Cut. I'm gonna go across here. I'm gonna use the multi-tool. As you can notice, I'm running the yellow tools. It's just a safety thing. Tend to find that the teal and the red ones, and even some orange ones, are just a bit dangerous, and your finish isn't as nice. So if you want to get a good finish and a good outcome, make sure you run the yellow tools. Now we're in. Here's the cut. So. Just run the blade straight under there. Pretty much cut out the rest of the handle. Now we can get a better look what's going on inside there. Further investigation, this is completely broken off internally. I can just cut that off. You can use the multi-tool, or you can grab the side cutters. I don't even hate this whole one-handed tool use. I'm filming with me right, but I'm actually a right hand, so I might as well film with me left and do the work with me right. That's the good stuff. That's what Mama used to tell me back in the Italia. Alright. What? Let's have a gander. What is that? That's broken. I think that's the little cleat we need to grab. So what I'm going to do is see if we can film it at the same time. We'll see what magic we can come up with. That's it. See that? I don't know if you can tell. There's that little nub that I'm resting on. And as I'm levering my Allen key against there, it's opening the catch for the door, which is freaking awesome. So now all you gotta do is, this has got a rear table, get rid of that, undo all your button clips, and then it's just 4 M10 nuts to get her back in. And I'll be coming up with something to undo this in case of emergency. I'm thinking maybe a driller hole. Yes, I know that's sacrilege. Put like a little loop, put a swage on it, run it down, and then connect it to the catch. So in case of emergency, hopefully be able to reach in through the door, put your finger through and lift it up, just so I don't have to ever do this again. All right, guys.